You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, the name of this breed of chicken from Belgium, a Belgian chicken breed from the outskirts of Brussels. In French it is said as Barbu, Barbu meaning bearded, bearded, Barbu, Ducle, Barbuducle is how you say it, from this town called Uccle in central Belgium. Barbuducle is how you'd say it in French, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.